What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's fundamental for anyone serious about building wealth over the long haul. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the stock market, thinking it's too complicated or just for the Wall Street pros, then this video is for you. ETFs are, in my opinion, one of the most powerful and accessible tools for the everyday investor. They can help you build a diversified, low-cost portfolio without needing to spend all day picking individual stocks. So what exactly is an ETF? Think of it like a basket of stocks, bonds, or other assets. When you buy one share of an ETF, you're essentially buying a small piece of everything in that basket. This instantly gives you diversification. For example, an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 holds shares in the 500 largest companies in the US. Instead of buying 500 different stocks, you just buy one ETF. Simple, it's efficient, and it's a game changer for building long-term wealth. Today, we're going to break down my top 5 ETFs that I believe are fantastic choices for a long-term strategy. These are the workhorses of a solid portfolio, designed to grow your money steadily over time. Ready to build your financial future? Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, ticker SCHD. Now, if you love the idea of getting paid just for owning an investment, you're going to love dividend ETFs. SCHD focuses on high-quality, dividend-paying U.S. companies that have a strong track record of financial health and consistent payments. Think of companies like Coca-Cola or Home Depot. Not only do you get the potential for the stock price to go up, but you also receive regular cash payments, the dividends. This creates a powerful compounding effect. You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which then generate even more dividends, and the cycle continues. It's like a wealth-building snowball. SCHD is known for its low expense ratio and its focus on fundamentally strong companies, making it an excellent core holding for anyone looking to generate passive income and stable growth over the long term. Next up, at number 4, we're broadening our horizons and going global with the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF, ticker VXUS. It's easy to get focused only on the US market, but there's a whole world of opportunity out there. VXUS gives you exposure to thousands of companies in both developed and emerging markets outside of the United States. Why is this so important? Because different economies grow at different rates. When the US market might be having a slow year, international markets could be booming and vice versa. By investing globally, you're not putting all your eggs in one geographic basket. This diversification can help smooth out your portfolio's returns and reduce overall risk. VXUS is a fantastic, low-cost way to capture the growth potential of international giants in Europe, Asia, and beyond. If you want a truly global portfolio, adding an international fund like VXUS is a non-negotiable step. At number 3, we have an ETF that's all about innovation and the future, the Invesco QQQQ. This ETF tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which is home to 100 of the largest and most innovative non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. We're talking about the tech giants that shape our daily lives, companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia. If you believe that technology and innovation will continue to be major drivers of economic growth, then QQQ is a powerful way to invest in that trend. These companies are often at the forefront of disruptive technologies, from artificial intelligence to cloud computing. While it can be more volatile than broader market funds, its focus on growth-oriented companies has historically delivered impressive returns. For investors with a long time horizon who can handle a bit more risk, QQQ can be an incredible engine for portfolio growth. Now for our runner-up. At number 2, we have the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, ticker VTI. If there was ever a buy the whole haystack kind of fund, this is it. VTI aims to track the performance of the entire US stock market. We're not just talking about the big guys. We're talking about large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks, over 3,500 of them. This is the ultimate in US market diversification. By owning VTI, you are betting on the long-term growth and prosperity of the American economy as a whole. Its super low expense ratio means that more of your money stays invested and working for you, not going to management fees. For many people, a fund like VTI could be the one and only used stock fund they ever need. It's simple, it's comprehensive, and it's a cornerstone of countless successful long-term investment portfolios. It's the definition of a set-it-and-forget-it investment. And finally, my number one ETF for long-term wealth building is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker VU. This might seem predictable, but there's a reason VU is legendary. It tracks the S&P 500 index, which represents the 500 largest and most established companies in the US, are the blue chip titans of industry. Warren Buffett himself has famously recommended that most investors should simply put their money in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Why? Because historically, it has delivered consistent, solid returns over the long run, averaging around 10% annually. It's less volatile than the tech-heavy QQQ, but still provides fantastic exposure to the market's biggest winners. It's diversified, incredibly low cost, and represents a stake in the most successful companies in the American economy. For its unbeatable combination of simplicity, proven performance, and low cost, VOO takes the top spot as a foundational investment for building lasting wealth. So there you have it, my top 5 ETFs for long-term wealth creation. We've got SCHD for dividends, VXUS for international exposure, QQQ for high-growth tech, VTI for the total US market, and VOO for the tried-and-true S&P 500. Remember, the best strategy is the one you can stick with. The key is to invest consistently, keep your costs low, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't let the short-term market noise distract you from your path to financial freedom. Which of these ETFs are you holding or thinking about buying? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more content on how to build wealth and invest smarter, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you more valuable content. Until next time, keep investing and stay patient.